Samamba face. Today ngifuna sikhulumeni about ukuthi why I'm saying there's nothing called a friend. You understand? Because like kwinsuku zami zokukhula mina ebumini bami until ngireach le point engikuyo today angaze ngathola i-best friend, i-relationship yethu yaphela kamnandi. You understand? Omunye umuntu angathi mina i-best friend nayo until today sese-right, sisathandana yikhinkinga. All I'm gonna say congratulations ngokuthola umuntu ukuthi vele ngempela uzimisela ukuthi abe i-best friend yakho ngempela, ukuthi ungabikho izinto ezenzakalayo which like ezina-affectayo. You understand? Mina guys, since from high school, you understand, ngiwumuntu othanda iy'ngane. You understand? Manje ngithanda iy'ngane, ngithanda abangani. You understand? Hayi ingane lezi, ngithanda abangani, yabo. So ukhula kwami like ngikhula umuntu ukuthi manje anginabazali ke mina, yabo, anginamazali. Mama msekashona and mncane kakhulu, I think ngise primary 2006, yes. Mncane kakhulu sise primary ngekazi lutho, and then ubaba is one of those men abamithisayo ke bekube bashiye ingane, yabo. Yeah, usaphila but andimazi, ngazalwa nje ngaze ngahlangana naye, angaze ngambona, yabo. But angikho lapho, mina ngikhule umuntu okhuliswa family kamama kakhulu, yabo, family yakabo mama. Even though mengikhula umuntu ukuthi manje ekhaya mese right ke, ese right kakhulu esikhathi semncane, mama mesaphila, yonke into me right, life me right, life me imnandi. And then masokushona umama izobha life yaqala yabanzima ke, yabo. Mayisabanzima life kanje usho ukuthi ziningi izinto lakhe endlule kuzo, yabo, to the point ukuthi namanje mangihlala phansi ngizicabanga ngibona ukuthi ngempela umuntu uqinile azafike la ekhona today just because of ukubekezela nokunyamezela, yabo lonto. So umuntu like ngithanda kakhulu abangani, because I always feel like abangani bongabantu bekwazi ukunicomforta, yeah, benika comfortable, but comfort, something like that. Bekwazi ukunicomforta, yabo, like bangenze like ngifile ngizifile kahle, yabo, unicomforta, yeah, yabo, beyakesinto, yabo lonto. So abangani bami like abantu abanjalo, yabo, and nokuthi senkingini bazokusiza lapho nalapho, yabo. So ekukhuleni nje kwami umuntu la copraise kakhulu abangani, mina umuntu uthanda ukudlala, mengathanda ukuba serious, yabo, mengathanda nje ukuba serious. So I'm gonna skip ezinye indawo until ngize ngifike la ngifika khona eJozi high school. You understand? Fike eJozi high school, I'm doing grade 9 wami, everything is fine, ngiyaphasa. Ndaka grade 10, ngifika grade 10 ngiyafila. Mangiphinda grade 10 I meet this best friend of mine. I think mangiphinda grade 10 ngayi2, because grade 10 ngamfila kawu2, yeah. Mangiphinda kwesibili, yes. Mangiphinda kwesibili lapho ngahlangana with this best friend of mine, and then we were doing music kumnandi kunje, yayibona lonto. So abanye abantu bangathi and then what happened, because like you have a best friend. Yes, I had a best friend, you understand, but that best friend was not a good person, you understand, because I end up like umuntu ogijimisa izinto is unnecessary bomini, you understand, more than isikole, you understand. And I mean, I was always have this thing in my mind with man qeda isikole impilo yami izoba right, because mina impilo yami zange bemnandi. But man ufuna isitori sempilo yami ngitshele guys, ngizonenzela sona, yabona, comment on my comment section. Okwamanje ngifuna ukukhuluma about the best friend. The best friend into engekho guys, according to my own experience, you understand. So kuma nje ngale one best friend menginayo, you understand, because that one was my best friend, you understand. So one that I was feeling like yeah, yabona. So sha music kumnandi kunjana, yabona, izinto ahlangani, sarekhoda nge-amp endlini kokwabo, sibenzisa ifoni yomunye, yonke lonto, yabo. Okay, ayikho inkinga ke, yabo, hayi life imnandi nje, akho inkinga ke. This day umngani wami avele sesithi kimi uthole i-studio, so kumele sihambe siyorecord. I was like fucking happy bro, to the point ukuthi zathi siphuma isikole nje sabe sesilapha, yabo. Asifika lapha yana mngani wami uqamba amanga, ndazothola nje amanamba la out, siqamba amanga, ukuthi babakho uzosibhatalela in yayibo leyo nto. Mina senifika vele sekwenziwe istory vele, so kumele ngifike nje mina ngithenga istory yabo. Namthenga istory and then siyarecord ingoma. Hayi ingoma siyarecord bamnandi yayibo leyo nto, ingoma iphume yabo. One of the best song those days, I understand. I think it was 2012. Yeah, 2012, 2013 lapho kudala guys yabo. Okay, akho nkinga akakumnandi kunjana, sijabulile sinengoma. Find out ukuthi baba kaNtwana akakhulumanga lo nto le. uNtwana uyena ozenzela istory futhi mas recording ingoma yabo. Lawuthi lena istudio isifuna DJ Cartoon. You understand? Shout out to DJ Cartoon for le video. Yabo DJ Cartoon. Lawuthi le isifuna end up kwinto ukuthi manje siyabuyela kuyo somtshela iqiniso, so I crash off that thing and then ingoma song yethu okay is fine, no problem yabo. Okay simnandi. Hayi qhubeka isikhathi sivayo. Umngane wami abuye nenye deal because mina ngimazi kuumuntu oza namadile yayibo leyo nto, wenza into zenzeke yabo. Aze nenye deal, ngeze nenye deal athi mfethu azini kunomama mina ehlangana naye, lo mama lona umama ukuthi manje mfethu uzochange ubomi bethu ngendlela egrand yayibo leyo nto, and then sifike singene kwelinye izinga yabo. Hayi nami ngiyajabula ngithi mfethu iqiniso ukuthi ya ngitokhiya siyenza sivinjwa yini lapho yabo. But mangale yena sekeboleka impahla yabo, ufuna ubukeke grand yayibo leyo nto. Mina ndihamba ngempahla enginazo, akunandaba nalo nto phela. Vyasithola ideal, so masithola ideal kumele ukuthi vele ideal is change. Safika lapha yana athi umngane wami hayi bathe masime lunch bar stop sign, asime la lunch bar. Hayi vele cheap bafethe emnyama. Hayi na ngithi yadlula yime le jeep le mayima le jeep lena kuthiwa masigibele. Ndimbona uNtwana uyayazi le moto le yayibo, so mara ngiyazibuza ukuthi uyazela va uNtwana le moto yabo. Sigibele khonkinga siyavaya. The first time in a restaurant ebomini bambonga ngazi ngaye restaurant mina guys. Mina ngiqale uye restaurant nakhona eMcDonald's safika. Sangena eMcDonald's sahlala phansi kabuza sodlani. Andazi noba ngizothi sodlani because I never been McDonald's or whoever like restaurant sendimdala. Ngagcina ngiyintwana ku McChikilikini nakhona mole times espanalize manager, so like menga as such me vele ngigayo yayibo leyo nto. Ayi sihleli lapha yana ke ayi abone lo mama lo ukuthi ayikho into engiyaziyo mina yabo. Athi zove ngithengela nina ibag ezo2 and then sithengene chicken folder. Okay, no problem, nama drinks alright. Akufika kudliwe. Hayi lo mama ufuna usazi, hayi guys ngifuna unazi nisuka kuphi yabo, background stuff and those things. Ngiyamtshela i-background yami nomfethu athi i-background yakhe ngijika amalama asazane yonke into be grand. Hayi bathi yonke into right, athi istudio sikhona kwami yabo, istudio sikhona nizorecorda yonke into nje khona nizoba right iningozi nganibona uthanda music yabo. Ayina ngiyakhuthala phela ukuthi Nkosi yami ekugcineni yabo umdali wazo wasiva isikhalo sethu yayibo leyo nto khe khonkinga akuyenzeka ke lana ke. Sibuyele emuva, masibuyele emuva lo mama hambo sibonise istudio kwakhe, asibonise unomzomhle nje, asibonise istudio. Hayi istudio was dope, everything was yayibo leyo nto. And then I'm like deep down I'm like wow, life is becoming real now yabo. Okay konkinga, everything is going well. Ayi guys masuhamba akathi no guys hambani umelani eRumini engane yami, and then we go there. So umele eRumini engane yakhe, masingena kuRumini engane yakhe before amabhachela guys. Amabhachela linobona manje thina sawabona back then there siyasika ibhachela yayibo leyo nto, ne bathroom, TV mongena, and then bed like bed yakhe la, and then ngapha ibathroom it's a bhachela, you understand, bhachela room fresh yayibo leyo nto. Khuthala namphakathi nje kakhulu nje yabo. Ahle lapha yana ke Samelo mama mekefika lo mama sithi 100 rand. Athi ayinayo imali yokujika. Just imagine ukusuka la ehlala khona sihlala khona, that those days was 800 was 8 rand 50. Engiyayithanda imali was 8 rand 50. Ayibo leyo nto. Okay, everything is cool. Yayibona lonto yajabulisa nje ilife yahlangana ayigeke sawokha cause ukuduzana sawokha sala 50-50 saba mnandi manje umntwana ndiyambuza nsana manje uthole kanjani le deal akangitshela ukuthi hayi mfethu le deal ngithole kanjani yayibona lonto okay akho nkinga nalapho yabo cause mnandi masithola istudio so recorder like high quality studio sakhona si grand bafethu yabo ayakho nkinga abisikhathi lo mama lona sibehlangana naye futhi and then asibukele I producer ebhadala athi senze album we did the album while the process ucede album umngani wami abene obsession over this thing abayibuza ukuthi Illuminati yabo abene obsession over this thing of Illuminati and then I'm obvious mega obsessed nami obsessed because umngani wami wenza izinto zenzeke yabo so eclassini space draws wheels kuma chalkboard Illuminati that Illuminati this azibona space soqeda album yethu saba flexile eclassini Texas soqeda album yethu in yabo hayi nabesikweni babona lezi apopa lezi ngempela ayabona ayi nje sidlula le process loku recorder lo mama lona sithatha sithengele impahla lesikela because impahla lesikela is better guys mangihlekwa njalo esikolweni mina lo mama lo sithama sithengele impahla lesikela sithengele imkheru mina khera 50 rand a day thingi khuli thingi kota every day 50 rand every day 50 rand yabo manje just imagine shawuthi 11 nomphasile umnandi life grand yabo that guy make ihlupheke is over hey angalithola ivar mawamba isikhathi to find out ukuthi best friend yami idate nalo mama lo yabo ushuka mama wakhe yabo lele ngizange ngiphathe kakuhle because manje sengiyabhula mina ngidla abantwana untwana akwazi udla abantwana yayibo lonto enxa ukuthini enxa ukuthi ubanjwe ulo mama lo yabo eish lele ngingamphathi kahle yabo inganiphathi nje kahle lele ngihlukumeza yonke lonto leyo yabo okay no problem awuntana aqhubeke izinto ayenza gayi imali ebhaya ke ngithola imali ebhaya because ke uyena umuntu veleke yabo oshuva umshini yayibo leyo so uyena unika imali eningi sihlala kwakhe manje lo mama lona yabo ebusuku masilela intana yaphuma eroomini akulomama yoshaya into zakhona buye yabo so mina lele ngiyangihlukumeza because untanga like macala wami so manje mina ngifihle lento yayibo leyo nto hey okay akho nkinga isikhathi siyavaya yabo isikhathi siyavaya ngapha sibhizi into zema-Illuminati stuff and stuff sihamba indawo senza ama-ritual bangasile yayibo leyo nto so yonke lento leyo like I end up doing izinto engingazithandi yabo just because ufuna please umngani wami yabo I end up doing into engingazithandi join into ezingazithandi into ezingekho right because ngifuna please umngani wami uyambona yagaxela ngizama ukumkhuza akakhuzeki because uso obsess impumelelo obsess blow obsess nje into eziningi yayibo leyo nto okay akho nkinga yabo ay hey guys pushe ke album iphuma mayiphuma album wendawo zokuthi manje engathi manje izinto ziyavela manje ukuthi kunento engahambi kahle la yabo because athi manje sebecala ukusola manje yabo sebembuza imibuzo nami like umntana lo mama sekembuza imibuzo neboyfriend lo mntana lo mama imbuza imibuzo like busy trying to yafihla yabo ukuthi like iqiniso mali ngaze livele yabo ngiyafihla ukuthi iqiniso lingaze livele okay akho nkinga kuba isikhathi ngiphushe untanga naye aphusha album iphume siphusha album siye kwenye indawo for ukuthi album isifuna iblow inini masifika la basitshela ukuthi kumele size nani for ukuthi album ibe right yayibo leyo nto ayi ithi mina mngani wami into lena ndiyibona kuyinto right yabo aqala lapho kulo mina nomngani wami yabo masiqale silwa just because inhlezi ngiphikisa lento zakhe amaneza ngazo and uyazibelieve yena abe into ukuthi hayi wena ntwana wena yikho into ohlezi ufuna ubelieve la kuyo ini kumele vele nje yazini yena sivele siyele yonke lento yabo amanye amagama like yena uyaqhubeka if mina ngifuna ukusala yabo I'm like dog mfethu suka ferry angeke sihlukane no in yabo beyilonto le okay akho nkinga yabo ngithini mina ngithi okay yazi makusona ke into kumele yenzeke kumele mina ngibuyele ekhaya yabo hayi ngempela ngibuyele ekhaya nje into zami ndambe ekhaya because untwana ndambona ukuthi akazimiselanga ukuphuma la hayi vele ngiphume ngibuyele ekhaya yabo mangibuyele ekhaya ngibuyele roomini lami life emakudala ngisakhiri ngiyawalka yonke la le yabo. Okay, it's fine, no problem yabo because navela ngihlukumezi lawe yabo. Akube lonto leyo yabo ngiphushe macana usaphushe phela the same life yabo. Sithi December mele umuntu ahambe ukweluka yabo. Mele umuntu ahambe ukweluka endesivumele sonke sokweluka nayo ukweluka kuwabo nami ndoyeluka because so matatela mina ngisuke e-Stack Spirit so uzoyeluka nami ndoyeluka sibe sesingamadoda anandami ndokweluka manibuya untwana uthi hayi untwana akekho yabo. Untwana uhlala le akayanga entabeni sisenkwenkwe sona ndiyindoda yabo. La ngiyayimkwatisa umfethu yabo yamphathi kahle imkwatisa umfethu wagcina sekhipha album yakhe e1 le album wasenandaba nayo yabo. Hayi ndingabi nankinga mina yabo because album yakhona may fresh grand yabo anginankinga naloko mina yabo akekho inkinga. Push zizuma focus esigela mase ngenza imatric untanga ufilile yabo ushaya u311 yena yabo. Ngiyaphusha mina na stress sesigela because narayile ukuthi angiqede isigela ngizoba grand yabo. Yena uphusha music which like into grand naye ndayithanda music but ngiyabona ukuthi manje into ahlangana yabo. Kia konke qhubeka mina namba ngenyawo ngisakheri life yabheda yena life isise grand yabona nabangani yonke lento leyana kasizivashela eclassini yonke lento leyo namthola best friend entsha yabo yonke lonto kube grand aso best friend esaje umngane yabo because akusazwana nje yabo khona la sort of thing nje off nje yabo. Akube lonto leyo ke kubindaba zokuthini bindaba zokuthi njengisha itrust yena ushaya u11 pass matric mina yabo angipass matric untwana yakafile u-grade 11 again mina yomphinda makuyomphinda kusho ukuthi amphinde but efocus into zomculo and then ndambe mina Cape Town ofuna ispan mafike Cape Town izinto zinganihlanganeli because ngiyabona ukuthi hey la ne Cape Town endaweni zekuya ngizendaweni errong yabo khona ndiye ema-farming mengayanga e-town yabo. So I have to go back to Jozi back ngibuyele Jozi umngane wami yazwakala ntwana azi masitho singenza into zenzeke nini sort of yangidinga. Okay ya choose macala mama le hasa sahlukana la sugar mama ndundundundu nama mhip wow okay into ayizina ko stress ke long ihlukene la mama le so we can make ihustle lethu ngendlela egrand yabo. Okay yakho nkinga ay bezindaba zani siyaphusha ke manje but manje untanga yento ayenzayo ufuna mina nhlezi ngikhapha yena kuma interview kuma meeting and stuff akafuni ukuntshela ukwenzakalani grand sharp like ufuna nakho ukuthi nibe khona for ukumkhapha hayi ukuthi nibe khona for ukuthi sonke ehlala etafuleni ukhunya idile yabo. Okay kuba yilonto leyo ke yabo akusise njalo ntwana abe umuntu uthi mina ntana masifika pha uvula inhliziyo ngisayinwe yabo. I'm like ngivula inhliziyo usayinwe yabo. I'm like yo I never yabo belonto leyo and then kwamba isikhathi ngigcine sengivuma namvula inhliziyo untana ngivula inhliziyo yasayina untwana yabo. And feel phakathi kwami there's something engiyilozile but andiyazi uba yini then but there's something yabo. Untwana from lapho zange ngiphike ngimbona untwana sekedlalela kude sekarecorda sekemane poster sendaweni ezifresh emane poster sendaweni ezifresh yabo lonto ayi nambona ukuthi angeke yabona lana zabuya impela yabo ziyabuya impela la yabo. But ngabe umuntu onjani ogxile kakhulu into lezo yabo ayi akho nkinga. Vice ngithola ispan mina ngithola ispan eMall of Africa meqeda ukuvula those days ngispan eMall of Africa discam yabo. Manje ndisipostela nje mangespanini because mesingikhuthaza yabo ukuthi ngizothola imali ngerecord inini yabo mesingikhuthaza yabo. Hey kwamba isikhathi asho uzimacala abe umuntu othi ufuna ukubuya yabo. Abe umuntu ofuna ukubuya mefuna ukubuya ngithini abuya macala akho stress yabo. Sidlana macala sengiholile ilanga la khona I think maybe in 3 months sengisebenza sengiholile nje ngiholile hayi ngihlangana nomacala manihlangana nomacala bezindaba zani bezindaba zokuthi vele yonke into igrand yonke into ivaya mnandi yabo. Hayi dalela utshwala hlala iphuli bamnandi kanje yabo. Okay, akho nkinga. Kusesenjalo kusho ukuthi manje kwenzakalani no? Into eyenzakalayo no. Athi ntwana asifayo so record kwi-producer yethu le recordise i-album yethu yokuqala. And yena awusilise beats masifika sibulala le track leni ndiyibulala ndiyi-1 yena angafuni ungena. Ndiyibulala ndiyi-1 ndiyibulale ngize ngiyiqede yabo akafuni ungena. Ngiyibulale ngize ngiyiqede ibe nswembe ibe mnandi yabo. Mayimnandi kanjena yana yabona ukuthi ayimnandi yena kangenanga ngiyabo akho stress and then ngapha sibuyoshaya nama-tattoo yonke le nto kumnandi kunjani yabo. Okay akho stress and then sivuke and then avaye nami ndivaye and then bezindaba zokuthi kuyalento-ke ndiyaqoshwa emsebenzini because ngifike nama-tattoo and nje ngifike nama-tattoo meetings esipani nesitheri ngabe ngachoose music which like I don't understand why ngenza into le but manje ndiya-understand why manje but that time nginga-understand life yami yabuyela emva. Best friend yami manje seyivele seyenza music video lwengoma zakhe kumele ngifike ngigcoke ublack nakhona mangifika ndibekwa le emva le namafenzi mna like ndibekwe emva namafenzi yena sekuphambili sha music video wakhe ndiyabona ukuthi nje yonke into yenzala like sokuflexelwa mina kahle kahle kuthiwa amanye amagama mina like ngifailile yabo. Akube lo nto leyo angibona ukuthi fuck yabo nento yenzeka la hayi ngisindayo i-best friend yami ayisekho so yangiyuza nje vele spiritual ukuthi manje mangiphusha into zakhe yabo. Okay akho stress ayi sithi sisendaweni ethize yabo endaweni thizeni nje yabo enye uthanda for ukushuta music video wakhe wesi-2 washo uqala ushuta waqedwa. Okay no problem khona wesi-2 lo wesi-2 kumele ushute uqedwe ku-music video ke manje yabo kumele ushute uqedwe la music video yonke into ibe grand yayibo leyo nto. Akho stress sisenjalo ke yabo kusesenjalo bazindabazane khona isini abafuna ndiyenze la and lesini le ndayibona ukuthi asiyisini right yabo. Lesini lena is either ngiluza i-girlfriend yami or ngiluza ingcosi yami because mina ngicaba uba nengcosi that time. I'm like nah I can't do this scene yabo I can't do this scene yabo. Kanti mangikhansela scene leyo music video wakhanselwa wonke zange usenziwa bangitshela wendi useless ngakhona nini ngabe nginandaba mina yabo. Bafike eKFC eMcDonald's kwadliwa nakhona makudliwa eMcDonald's izindaba zokuthi vele sebeyaflexa yabo sesongena egamini bafuna nami ndizwa yabo sesongena egamini music video wethu nini laba ngafuna ungena masibayekile benjalo belo wele yabo but inganihlukumezi mina le wele yabo but ngidla but inganihlukumezi that might because mina nethemba lokuthi ku music ngizongena ngendlela yami yabo. Okay akho stress ngibuyele back emuva ngivana nobona ingcosi yami ena 4 weeks igqibo zalwa. Okay asifane ingcosi yami noma ingcosi sifane yonke into grand ngitshela ngiyokhansela into sona because lando la sine benginika yona mengayifili kahle ini yabo. But ke athi ingcosi no kumele uhambe e-church yabo uyokhipha zonke lento lezi yabo like okay angizovaya anyani ngihlale think 3 days like busy back and forth efonini mina mngani wami siyaxabana yabona sitshela the way yabona entshela the way ukuthi the ball is in my hands phuma kumuntu into ndayenza la ndiyenzi in yabo mtshela fuck wena into ebhiza ngiyuza nto yabo bayilo nto le yabo gcine vele sesingachayisani vele sidalo yabo. Kuyakho inkinga yabo ngiyafokha kwenza izinto zami vele sihlukana nomngani wami yabo sihlukaniswa because of lonto lezo but it was a more spiritual fight than physical fight yayibo leyo nto ahlukane mahlukana nami thatha indlela yathatha indlela. Okay everything was cool everything was good akho inkinga yabo. Andiva ngiqala life yami ndambe church those days ke revelation it was the Revelation Church of God. I understand. Number church. While I go there, like in discover, no man. Actually, I was in a spiritual fight with my best friend. You understand? Yena my friend nginebumnyameni mina ndifuna ukukhanya. So ukukhanya mina mohlezi bungifavor. So mina nje ngifuna ukukhanya. I was always questioning ubumnyama bakhe. Yabo. ukuthi le ndawo sifaka kuyo mfethu uzosapha uzogcina sesikephi. So yinto yasixabanisa kahle kahle yabo. We are not on the same journey. Kulapho ngabona khona ukuthi i-best friend ayikho, because if ngamlalela ngabe today the situation ukuthi namhlanje disave ubumnyama as much as in save ubumnyama ngale ndlela abuseva ngayo and buyamsebenzela. Mina ngeke umsebenzela. You understand? If yabo ngeke ungisebenzele mina, because mina I question each and everything eyenzakalayo ebomini bami. Angisolo umuntu ovumayo nje kuphela, I question into yabo. So ngahlangana kanjani revelation, mangihlangana revelation kabazi indaba zokuthini zokuthi ngiyazinikela manje, azinikela kumdala, umdala wangamkela. I have to clean my life, I have to start from scratch. Manje even ifamily yami yangijikela, ilife ibanzima, kuba bad life in, but I accepted that because ngazitshela ukuthi mina ngizochange ubomi bami. You understand? Namanhlele emizini nabantu, nale mizini nabantu, yonke lento le kunzima yabo, but nganyamezela, ngaphusha kunjalo yabo, ngaze ngafika la ndikhona namhlanje yabo. Namanje ngekafiki la ngifuna ufika khona, but I'm always like appreciating umdali for ukundinika second chance for ukuthi ngilungise impilo yami through ikhaya lomoya, which it's a revelation spiritual home. You understand? Which like ikhaya lami lomoya leliya kula ngiphila khona, kula ngasizwa khona. Bekhona isikhathi lapho mina ngathi ngizohlanya, zoba street kids, yonke la nto leya guys yabo. But la ngisiza, la ngiqinisa emoyeni, ngaqina emoyeni, ngaba lo muntu endinguye today. You understand? And abantu abaningi they can take this granted guys. Yabona mawuphuma kwizinto zobumnyama, into zobumnyama zohlezi ukulandelela. Trust me, zohlezi ukulandelela into zobumnyama, and into zobumnyama zohlezi sifuna ukuqomba phansi yabo. But ukuphuma kwami lapha yana ubomi bami bachinja to the better, and namhlanje I'm a better person. Ngakhula mentally, ngakhula physically, ngakhula spiritual because of the revelation spiritual home. Sanginakekela spiritually, you understand, ukuthi mangikhule na physically, you understand. So yonke lento le yangisiza guys ukuthi ngivuleka amehlo. Sometimes unodlula entweni ezibhlungu hayi ukuthi umdala akakuthanda, umdala usuke ekuthanda, nabakini basuke bekuthanda, just basuke befuna bekubonisa iqiniso lezi zinto ezenzakalayo ukuthi ebomini kwenzakalani. So I'm doing this video because mina ngifuna ukuthi there's no such thing as a best friend, because it's either lo muntu loyo nawe yampleaser or yena wena. You understand? Akekho omunye umuntu ongakufisela into enhle emhlabeni ngaphandle kwabazali bakho or ngaphandle komdali. You understand? Abantu basemhlabeni they will never wish something good for you. You understand? Especially umuntu ozalwe nabahlangana naye emhlabeni. That is why me, I trust no one ebomini bami. I trust no one. You understand? Because lo muntu ndinguye today because of ngidlule umuntu eplease abantu kakhulu to the point ukuthi ngagcina sengibona ukuthi sengiyalimala yabo. So I'm no longer pleasing anyone, I'm living my life. Umuntu engiplease please umdali, please abasekhaya, ngibuye please isithunywa esikhulu mabizo asabele. I can say zizona into ezibalekile lezo ebomini bami, nama forces abalekile lawo 3: umdali, isithunywa esikhulu, ngabasekhaya abahlambulukile. Ibona ababalekile, ibona enhlezi ngiba please. Abantu bomhlaba ngiba please because abantu bomhlaba they've gonna act as if bayakuthanda kanti abakuthandi. You understand? So I've learned that in a bad way and in a sad way and in a hateful way. You understand? Ngaze ngafika la ngikhona today because of what? Of being experiencing into ezibhede ebomini bami yabo. And ngiyambonga umdali ngaloko because wangenza ngaba nomqondo, wangenza ngaba ne-wisdom. Namhlanje ngiyakhula ndingaka because of what? Because of umdali nezidalwa nabantu abadala abasekhaya. You understand? Ibona bangilekelela ngaba la ngikhona today yabo. And guys, I'm not saying this because ngilahlena abangani beni. I'm saying this because like ndifuna understand ukuthi not everyone oduzana nawe uyakuthanda. Omunye umuntu nawe just because ufuna benefit something out of you, spiritual or physical. You understand? So guys, I hope you enjoy the if you need more of my stories, more conversation, I'm gonna make sure I drop another one. The case is out. Ichu and